Hagi Kynta banyakan bermeneta lo kamat Khappud hapling ke jela Meghalaya Assam kasih ke balai jong jing lebar mang tengka ke jela bolong arpotrik rumpang aja upsau kabah kate ke nyekan bobon kinong ikhmat sa jing lebar thau an ke jela kila simenta khamtam kinong ikhmat ke bedai na konsumsi bulan ke jing kaja Khappud bat ka Assam hak bede bo blok 2 na kaliang emele ke Mawhati konsumsi ba Charles mangar la simenta baneta lo ke mat Khappud marla ban kedo ba ka blok 2 ke jaka Khappud ba Assam ka bojimi borobo ke jing kan at Khappud ba kade brang ha po ka Mawhati konsumsi ba Charles mangar ba kan Iathuh ba ginong susnong khasi blok 2 ki sa penwet ba sa Thombor ba tat hadu mentaru wala kala dep ban kan sutu jingmut apleng sarkar Meghalaya ba sarkar Assam na ka benta bani penbe yo put usam ka wat ka baar ba sa teng tat hadu menta badu dang ha khasan ri kuno pra aja pulai kalon ke jing kendu ke ofsar na baro arliang katan Assam bat Meghalaya ulun langru DGP ke Meghalaya bani kan penbe nam ta ka songsuk songsingan jong ginong songslong ha thain blok 2 rei na kaliang ka Assam ko ne piteng ban penwet ba Thombor ginong songslong khasi blok 2 ka ba imat kate ke jing lang jong ke ofsar sarkar jong Assam bat Meghalaya kampoi se ru badang khendet te yo kipulit ka Assam gidang yai piteng ban thwet ki saumut girang ba khasi lo sa kno ha ban prai monong rem jong ka Assam lawan si jubor na karbi autonomous council ha krisnong jatalong kumtaw la kan tujur ke sarkar bakan simkhia ban le ai halo ke jing sap nwet ginong snong khasi ha blok 2 ha kipulit bagi breu jong ka Assam khang bagi nong snong khasi kate ka thain kin yo ban song suk song sngan nalor ba Charles mangar le simenta langru daw emele ga umsning konsumsi Dr. Celestin lingdo emele ga nongkrem konsumsi ba aden mila basai mai bat ki de.
You may please continue.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing me to discuss about the problem faced by a people in border dispute. As a local representative of the border area, Raj Nongtung Khairim Simship, known as Block 2, would like to bring to your kind notice that the Assam government, through the Forest Department, Assam Police, and also the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, from time to time, pursuing legal action against the villages and forcefully stopped the developmental works from the state of Meghalaya and also the central schemes that the government of Meghalaya intend to implement for the welfare of the people in the area. Mr. Speaker, sir, I remember there was a meeting on the 15th December 2023 where senior IAS officers, IPS, including our DGP from Meghalaya, both Meghalaya and Assam attended the meeting. After the meeting, everyone were happy with the decision taken by both state Meghalaya and Assam. After the meeting, our DGP from Meghalaya met the villagers in Maulosnai outpost and told them that the Assam police neither initiate any legal action nor arrest the offenders. However, the assurance made by the DGP Meghalaya, it seems to hold no value presently, as the Assam government is still pursuing legal action against our villages, which is evident from the fact that the case has been charged and the court has issued warrant of arrest to our four people, that is Mr. Woking Linshang, Mr. Proming Surong, Mr. Priling Mensong, and Mr. Dunbok Nongspo. Regarding warrant arrest to our people, sir, after getting all the information, I went to Mawhati to meet a headman from the border area. And again on the 12th of this month, I went along with border magistrate from Ribohoi district to Mawhati outpost to meet all the headmen from the border areas on this matter. Mr. Speaker, sir, on the same day, I met the Deputy Commissioner of Ribohoi district to speed up this matter at the earliest. Next day, sir, I also met our Chief Secretary, and also I met the Deputy Chief Minister, since our Chief Minister, he was out of station. I thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, and also the Chief Secretary for the proactive step taken by them. I got the information that our Chief Minister spoke to the Chief Minister of Assam and provided all the details to him, and also our Chief Secretary to the Chief Secretary of Assam. But sir, one more thing that I want to bring to your kind notice is that the Assam police every day, even yesterday, sir, I got a phone call that the Assam police continue to patrol our Khasi villages, which has caused great inconveniences and insecurity to the general public. Therefore, sir, I once again request our Honorable Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Police to kindly speed up this matter and make sure that safety and security to our people, especially to our four people, as mentioned above, are redressed at the earliest. Mr. Speaker, sir, coming to developmental works, I feel very sad. I feel very sad to say that many developmental works, like school buildings, community hall, Anganwadi center, footbridge, etc., has been forcefully stopped by the Forest Department, by Assam Police, and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, which has become a roadblock to the developmental works meant for the areas falling under and which is contradictory to the talk between the two states. Mr. Speaker, sir, unfortunately, whenever our state tried to carry out developmental works in the area, the Assam government has always stopped the works. But whenever the state of Assam carry out any developmental works in the area, our state has never blocked or stopped such works. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, as a local representative, I humbly request our Honorable Chief Minister to kindly intervene this matter at the earliest, and also to make sure that all developmental works coming from our state as well from the central will be implemented smoothly for the benefit of our beloved people who stay in this area. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, sir, one problem that our people face in this area from time to time, that is the tax collection for broomstick made by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, collected by the Pol Jharu Mahal under Jakini range, West Karbi Anglong. This is a big problem that our people face in this area, sir. I have with me the vehicle charge for the Bolero pickup, 2,000 kg of broomstick. They will charge 15,000. For the Bolero 4x4, 1,800 kg, they will charge 13,500. For the LP truck, 12,000 kg, they will charge 90,000, sir. And for the 909 truck, 9,000 kgs, they will charge 67,500, sir. By collecting tax collection from our farmers in this area, sir, I know that it will be affected to our poor farmer in this area. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is my second time to inform this August House about the problem of our farmer in this area. Tax collection for broomstick by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Mr. Speaker, sir, I once again request our leader of the House, our Honorable Chief Minister, to kindly take this matter seriously and make sure that we can stop the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for the tax collection of broomstick in this area. Mr. Speaker, sir, once again, I request our Chief Minister and his cabinet to kindly speed up this matter. We all know that now is the season of broomsticks, so that our people will not suffer. With these few words, Mr. Speaker, sir, I once again thank you for allowing me to discuss about the problem faced by our people in the border area. With these few words, I resume my seat. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you.
Not to repeat the points that all my friends have mentioned, but one or two points. The first part is, I would like the government, through our Honorable Chief Minister, there is a standing warrant of arrest for 4 villages in Jatalong village. I don't know what is the process where you can interact with the counterpart in Assam, but I know these 4 villages by the name of Mr. Walking Lengxiang, Mr. Proming Surong, Mr. Priling Mensong, and Mr. Donbok Nongspung. There is an arrest warrant on these 4 names, and I believe all these 4 persons are not able to sleep in their own houses at night because the Assam police are looking for them for no fault of theirs. On this matter, it will be very nice if we can tell these 4 people, and including the villagers, if we can show in writing that the arrest warrant has been removed or it has been settled with. Just by verbal assurance to give to our people staying in the borders, I think that is not enough. Point number 2 that I want to make is, when we talk about border disputes, the approach of the deputy commissioners posted in the districts where there are disputes at the boundary, at the borders, I feel the deputy commissioners should be a bit more proactive in tackling, reassuring, and showing that those villagers really have the care and attention of the administration. This is very important. And I support also the point raised by MLA from Jirang. Maybe even in Jatalong village, which is the core issue that we are discussing now, if from time to time, maybe once in 2 months or once in every 3 months, if a patrolling by the police from the Meghalaya side to these villages, this will indicate that yes, the government is serious about the security. Yes, your problems are within our concerns. These are the signals that we show to our people in the border areas. Now, why people stay in the border areas? The main reason for our villages is land for their cultivation. Now, whatever they cultivate, we know the list as mentioned by the mover of the motion. If I carry a truck or a Mahindra pickup of broomsticks, if I have to pay 13,000 as tax, I think we should stop calling it a tax. It is a daylight robbery that we as a government cannot protect our people from the daylight robbery that is happening. If it is a tax, maybe they can collect 200 rupees per pickup. But 13,000 per Mahindra pickup, that is more than robbery. So I appeal once again, please look into the arrest warrants. Number 2, please sensitize our deputy commissioners to be more proactive. And number 3, our police personnel, especially for Jatalong village, it falls under Maulasnai police station. Maybe if manpower for the uniform forces are less, we can think of deploying or maybe appoint some more so that regular patrolling to strengthen and encourage our people staying in the border areas can be done from time to time. With these few words, Madam Chairperson, I resume my seat.
Adun Basami, Mr. Speaker.
Rise to associate myself with the mover of this motion. So, I've been raising this issue of border problems, problem faced by the people living in the border areas right from the year I got elected, from 2008. So, some of the members have passed away, but we are still repeating, debating the same issue again and again. So I don't want to talk much because sometimes I feel that we don't have any words to say, but we can't help. I want to express in records that my heart goes out to the people of living in the border areas. I have seen the tremendous pressure in their minds. I have met them just very recently when I visited these border areas. I went to Omat area, and I feel pity, but what can't we do? When the government of Meghalaya engaged in dialogue with the government of Assam, we feel that a negotiation is the best possible way to solve the problem. I've been saying this on the floor of this house, that even though we will not be able to come to a conclusion to finally settle the boundary issue with Assam, but at least we have to ensure that the security of the people living in the border areas should not be compromised. I think it is the duty of the state to ensure that all people belonging to the state, who is originally belong to the state, wherever they may are, wherever they may be, they should have a sense of insecurity. They should have a sense that, yes, the government of Meghalaya is taking care of us, even if we are not in the state. Not long ago that some ministers from Assam, they rushed to Meghalaya just for one issue. When they came to know that some Assamese people have been beaten or having a problem with some Khasi youths in Nehu, they rushed to Meghalaya to express their concern about the people, their own people. Here we see the harassment with their own eyes. And how do you expect our local people in those border areas to react when the Assam government is coming and erect a gate, a toll gate, or carry out any construction work? Naturally, the people living in the border areas, because of the sense of belonging, they will have to stand and oppose it. And I do remember till today that there has been any successful project on the basis of interstate developmental works that Meghalaya has been able to establish schools in the interior part of Assam, as the Assam had done in our state. So, sir, I don't know what kind of an environment we are in, but when we look at the leaders of Assam, there was a media report very recently which stated that amid ongoing talks to resolve the Assam border, Meghalaya border row, if I may be allowed to mention the name of the Minister of Assam, Atul Bora, Assam Border Protection and Development Minister, has leveled a serious allegation against Meghalaya, asserting the encroachment of 3,441.86 hectares of Assam land. These are the kind of mindset that we are dealing with. So, sir, I've never heard that Meghalaya will openly express that Assam has encroached 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers inside Meghalaya. So, sir, I stand here to associate with the mover of this motion and to stand with him on this issue, not only in this August House, but even outside the House. With this few words, sir, I resume my seat.